Hi friends, today we are going to see the topic electric field due to the point charge. We have already seen in the previous video what is electric field. Okay, let's revise it in once again. Electric field is a region of space surrounding a charged object where a force is exerted on any other charged object which is placed in it. That means if we have kept any charged object over here, for example, any proton or any electron or any object which have some charge, then that charge will produce a field around it. That field is called as an electric field. And if anything comes in that range of electric field, then the force will be exerted on that other object, and that force is nothing but the electric force, which is given by the Coulomb's law. So यहाँ पे हम एक पॉइंट चार्ज कंसिडर कर रहे हैं विच इज बिन प्लेस्ड एट अ पॉइंट ए. तो ये पॉइंट ए है, यहाँ पे हमने एक चार्ज रखा कैपिटल क्यू, राइट. अब बिकॉज दिस इज अ चार्ज देन इट विल क्रिएट अ फील्ड अराउंड इट, और ये जो फील्ड है उसके रेंज में हमने एक पॉइंट रखा दैट इज पी. नाउ वी आर इंटेंडेड टू सी दैट कि ये जो पी पॉइंट है यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जो है उसकी क्या रेंज है. वी हैव प्लेस्ड अ टेस्ट चार्ज at P. So on this Q टेस्ट चार्ज जो है उसके ऊपर फोर्स एक्सर्ट होगा, क्योंकि जो हमने अभी बात की कि अगर Q है तो Q ने इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस की सराउंडिंग इटसेल्फ. उस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के अंदर हमने पॉइंट P रखा, और इस पॉइंट P के अंदर अगर हमने कोई टेस्ट चार्ज इमेजिन किया है तो इस चार्ज के ऊपर इस फील्ड के वजह से फोर्स लगेगा, और वो जो फोर्स लगने F is equals to Q multiplied by E, where Q is a test charge and E is the electric field at that point. Okay, this much amount of force is acting on this Q. But what will be the electric field E over here? So let's find out. इसके ऊपर लगने वाला फोर्स कितना है F by this term. But we know that by Coulomb's law, the force on the charge Q is given by F is equals to the product of the two charges. So Q multiplied by Q upon constant, K constant, the value of constant is 1 upon 4 pi Armstrong, and R square, whatever the distance between the two charges उसका square. हमें इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड पता करनी है P के ऊपर, तो वो कितनी है? E is equals to F upon Q. So now if we place this value of F from here in this equation, so what we will get, that this Q and this Q will get cancelled, and we get Q upon 4 pi Armstrong R square, in which 1 upon 4 pi Armstrong is constant value, so Q upon R square. So electric field at this point P is given by Q, which is our charge, upon distance R square. So here we get the answer that the electric field at any point is given by Q upon R square, where E is the electric field strength, K is the Coulomb's constant, Q is the magnitude of the point charge which is creating that field, and R is the distance between the point charge. Okay, so and what will be the direction of this electric field? This electric field is a vector quantity, so it will have both magnitude and direction. Now direction depends on the charge. So if the point charge which we have considered, if that is positive, then electric field will point radially outward. If it is positive, you can see if the charges are positive, two charges are positive, then the electric field is going in a outward direction. But if it is negative, then it is going in the inward direction. I hope electric field is clear to you. Thank you.